We are Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning. Our highly rated team of customer service professionals and plumbing and HVAC technicians are standing by 24 hours a day, ready to deliver 100% satisfaction. From plumbing emergency services to air conditioning maintenance and repair.
Hi, this is Tim with Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning. When you call us, you can rest assured our customer engagement team will be standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to answer any of your HVAC or plumbing needs. At this point, our customer engagement team will schedule an appointment for you as soon as possible. In fact, we strive to offer same-day service whenever possible. When our technicians arrive at your home, we're going to explain exactly what the problem is with your plumbing or HVAC system, provide you flat rate pricing to fix the problem with no surprise charges. After your service call, we'll be there for all your plumbing or HVAC needs. We also encourage all our customers to take advantage of our Team Titanz maintenance membership program.
Titanz Plumbing and Air Conditioning is the trusted choice for professional, courteous, full-service plumbing and air conditioning solutions in Southwest Florida. Call Team Titanz today at 941-875-9669 or visit calltitanz.com. We're standing by 24/7 for all your service needs.